The first sitting starts at 7 in restaurant car A for the groups red and white, and in the restaurant car B for the groups blue and green. Second sitting is from 8 to 8:40, and it's in restaurant car A for gold, silver, violet and pink, and in restaurant car B for the groups orange and yellow. So this is for today. And for tomorrow, for Friday the 24th of June, we will arrive scheduled at 6:18 in Beijing. Arrival in Beijing 6:18. Please take all the hand luggage with you. There is breakfast not in the train, but in two different restaurants. For the Bolshoi group, it's in the restaurant Paragon, which is very near, just across the street from the station. The other groups, the group orange and yellow, blue, green, red and white, are having breakfast in the Beijing Rainbow restaurant. After the restaurant, we start the sightseeing tour. We have a small sightseeing tour only. So we go to the Tiananmen Square, right in the heart of Beijing. And after that, we see the Temple of Heaven, which is not really much on program. After that, after the Tiananmen Square and after Temple of Heaven, we have lunch, and from the lunch directly check in the hotel. The Bolshoi group is checking in the West Inn Hotel, and the groups blue and green, red and white, orange and yellow are checking in Capital Hotel. The afternoon is off program, and if you are not in the mood for a rest, we offer you, if you want some extra program, which of course you have to pay for, a visit of the hutongs. Hutongs are the traditional houses which were very common only a few decades ago in Beijing. Only a few of them are left, and if you want, you can join the excursion to these old houses. In the evening, there is no dinner, because in China we are half board. In the evening, 7:30, at the moment scheduled is a city tour by night, so to say. All the programs, as you are already used to it, are displayed in the hotels near the reception desk or at special places which are reserved for announcements like that, so that you can, whenever you want, look up what's on this day or on the next day. So this is just to give you an idea of the program tomorrow. We are already hours in the desert of Gobi, and if you look out, you have a very special atmosphere with certain colors and certain formations of clouds, which is typical for Gobi, and which is quite nice. You see the grass is dry and yellow, not like in Mongolia, where the whole country nearly was flooded and the grass is green therefore. Anyhow,